one single place for you to discover exactly in detail what everybody else out there is doing. And this one is absolute fire and a very powerful one because it's also based on reality, not made up. It's not also based on a romantic idea that you have about what people want to know about. It's based on what other competitors and brands out there like yours are doing. All right, good. So let's go over here and let's search on Google. I want to perform a search on Google right now. And I'm going to say Facebook ad library. Once I search for that on Google, it's going to give me a series of results. The first one is going to be an ad. You don't want to hit that one there. We want to go to the first official result, which is going to be, it's going to be this one over here, ad library on Facebook. I'm going to click on that one there. And now we are in a place where you can find out exactly what any brand, any business, any person that has a Facebook page or an Instagram profile is doing across social media. Nothing is hidden. One single place for you to discover exactly in detail what everybody else out there is doing. If you are wondering how this company has boomed so much with social media, well, this is your gateway towards discovering their roadmap and reverse engineering how they have succeeded with the world of social media marketing. So let's look at an example over here. So first thing that you need to know over here on this page, over here you can see that we have options that we need to tap on. Issues, elections, or politics. Well, we don't want to talk about that right now, right? 2020 election is over, you don't care. Housing over here, that's another one. Subjects related to housing, or you're talking about real estate, right? Well, you can click over there and see what every single page related to housing is doing on social media. Employment, people that are looking for hiring or recruiting, you can actually see exactly what they're doing. Credit, companies that are offering credit repair, credit solvency, credit opportunities, you can also see that there. Or you can click on search all over here. That one right there is going to show you everything that is existing in the world of social media. So let's go ahead and click that one right there, search all. And now we're going to go over here and we're going to search for something here. So in this case, since we're talking about real estate, why don't we stick with that subject? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to enter in this blank, real estate. And let's see what options show up over here. So there's the first thing that shows up is a local real estate Facebook page. That's what it's called. It's called Local Real Estate. That's a great name. 190,000 followers on Facebook, 5,800 on Instagram. So you can see, please note that both things are in here. Both Facebook and Instagram are in here. Both worlds in one single platform. Over 2 billion on Facebook, over 1 billion on Instagram. They're all in here. So you have this enormous world in which whenever you need inspiration, please just go in here and spend a few minutes looking at what other brands like you are doing. So over here, local real estate. Okay, so that doesn't mean they're running any ad. This is just the first step of the process. There's two things that you can do here on this Facebook ad library. Number one, you can actually search for keywords like I just did, real estate. Or number two, you can actually do reverse engineering and find exact brands or products or page names or Instagram profiles, and you can search for them and find out exactly what they're doing. All right, so I'll give you an example of that in a second. So we got local real estate over here. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that one and let's find out if they're running any advertising on social media. They might not be running any advertising. We need to find out. A lot of brands don't know how to use advertising on social media, and because of that, they don't run it. Does it mean that it's not an opportunity? No, it basically means that they have no clue how to take advantage of the platform. And just like 95% of people that out there that have tried on social media, they have also failed and they gave up along the way instead of trying to acquire the knowledge on how to succeed in this environment. I'm gonna go ahead and click on this one right here. And this thing is loading and is searching, and yep, they are running some ads. And we can see these ads right now, all right? So for example, let's look at one of these ads. All right, so this one over here, you can even see the details of it. It was launched February 2021, so they are running these ads fresh. And you can see here that Riverfront home on 7 acres. That's beautiful. It says Brittany Chason, next home, Rocky Mountain Realty and Rentals for sale. If I want to see more details on this, I just click on see ad details and it opens up more details about this ad. And you can see all kinds of things about this particular creative. If it's a video, I would even be able to see the exact video that they're running. So I don't have to actually just find videos. I'm gonna do that and search again, local real estate. Let's see if they're doing any videos over here. Just listed, here's another one, Michelle Mertens, Exit Realty, listed for $185,000. They're running mainly images. And they're talking about that. It's not really a content strategy. What I would recommend that you guys do is find a real estate brand that is running a content strategy. So you keep on looking for that. And let's see if we do another real estate. And let's look at this one over here, real estate for sale. So again, that's very direct. They're selling real estate, but they're running ads. Look at that. This one over here, it's a beautiful snow-covered property right there, great pictures. Just listed, they are directly promoting properties for sale, all right, in that local neighborhood, whatever that may be, because the beautiful thing about Facebook and Instagram is that it has a lot of data and you can target specific demographics and specific locations, and all of that is possible. So you don't have to just waste your money on places where you cannot generate business.